Step into the world of comprehensive annual home maintenance and explore a curated list of essential tasks designed to keep your living environment in prime condition throughout the year. In this informative video, we present tasks that cover a wide spectrum of indoor and outdoor care, ensuring your home remains a haven of comfort and security. From inspecting the roof and testing safety alarms to preparing for extreme weather and maintaining outdoor equipment, each task plays a pivotal role in safeguarding your home's well-being. Join us as we guide you through these actionable strategies, offering insights into their importance and ease of execution. By dedicating time to these tasks annually, you're not only enhancing the longevity of your property but also prioritizing your family's health and tranquility. Embrace these practical steps and embark on a year of proactive home management. Indoors. Vacuum lint from the dryer vent. Clearing lint buildup from the dryer vent is crucial for fire prevention and maintaining dryer efficiency. This task is moderately important and relatively easy to perform. Clean refrigerator drip tray. Regularly cleaning the drip tray prevents mold growth and foul odors. It's moderately important and fairly easy to do. Lubricate garage door opener system. Lubricating the garage door opener system ensures smooth operation and extends its lifespan. It's moderately important and relatively easy to do. Get fireplace inspected. Regular fireplace inspection enhances safety, identifies issues, and optimizes performance. It's highly important but requires professional expertise. Change home safety alarm batteries. Replacing alarm batteries ensures proper functioning and reliable home safety. It's highly important and easy to do. Outdoors. Aerate lawn. Aerating the lawn improves soil aeration, water penetration, and root growth. It's moderately important and may require equipment. Get roof inspected. Regular roof inspections prevent leaks and structural damage. It's highly important and best done by professionals. Get termite inspection. Termite inspections safeguard against costly structural damage. It's highly important and requires professional expertise. Test lawn irrigation system. Testing the system ensures efficient watering and plant health. It's moderately important and relatively easy to do. Check trees for interference with electrical lines. Ensuring trees don't interfere with electrical lines prevents safety hazards. It's moderately important and may require professional assistance. Winter preparation. Service lawn mower and other lawn care equipment. Servicing equipment ensures optimal performance in the upcoming season. It's moderately important and may require maintenance skills. Get yard soil test. Testing soil helps tailor fertilization for healthy plant growth. It's moderately important and requires testing kits or professional services. Seal cracks and gaps in windows. Sealing gaps prevents drafts and improves energy efficiency. It's moderately important and relatively easy to do. Pressure wash home exterior. Pressure washing enhances curb appeal and prevents mold growth. It's moderately important and requires equipment. Clean rain gutters. Cleaning gutters prevents water damage and foundation issues. It's moderately important and may require a ladder. Winterize exterior plumbing. Winterizing plumbing prevents freezing and potential damage. It's highly important and may require professional assistance. Safety drills. Fire safety drill. Conducting fire drills ensures everyone knows evacuation procedures. It's highly important and should be practiced regularly. Tornado safety drill. Tornado drills prepare for emergencies and enhance safety awareness. It's highly important and should be practiced regularly. Flood safety drill. Flood drills help family members respond effectively to flooding situations. It's highly important and should be practiced regularly. Home equipment. Get power outage equipment. Having power outage supplies ensures comfort during emergencies. It's highly important and requires collecting necessary items. Get flood safety equipment. Gathering flood safety supplies helps mitigate damage during floods. It's highly important and requires preparing essential items. Check hurricane supplies. Checking hurricane supplies ensures readiness for severe weather events. It's highly important and requires verifying essential items. Check tornado supplies. Ensuring tornado supplies are ready prepares for tornado emergencies. It's highly important and requires verifying essential items. Get fire ladders for upstairs. Having fire escape ladders ensures safe evacuation from upper floors. It's highly important and requires obtaining necessary equipment. Congratulations on completing our comprehensive annual home maintenance checklist. By committing to these tasks, you've taken significant strides toward a well-maintained and secure living space. Remember, your dedication to these actions isn't just an investment in your property, it's an investment in your family's comfort, safety, and peace of mind. As each year unfolds, continue prioritizing these practical steps, and watch how your home flourishes into a sanctuary of comfort, longevity, and happiness.